Hey, what's up, guys? Houston here. Look, if you've been denied credit, okay, and you don't understand why, because you went to Credit Karma and they said that you had a 720 credit score and you get denied, the reason is because you're not looking at your real credit score. 90% of financial institutions are using the FICO score, okay? And I'll put a link below. But whenever you're looking for a car loan, whenever you're looking for a mortgage, credit card, personal loans, you always need to look at your real FICO score, okay? Now, the thing about it with your real FICO score versus your Vantage score is that, see these numbers? You have your FICO 9, you have your FICO 8, okay? So with your FICO 8 scoring system, all right, this is the one that you would go to American Express and get. Chase will not give you a real FICO score. It actually gives you a Vantage score. It's a deceptive score. So when you apply for a Chase credit card and you get denied, it's because that score that they gave you for free is a Vantage score. It wasn't your real FICO score. Okay? So that's the reason. Now, in terms of Navy Federal Credit Union, they use a TransUnion FICO 9 score for its TransUnion FICO 9 score. Now, you're talking about Equifax. Equifax is PenFed FICO 9 score. When you talk about Experian, you would use like First National Bank of Omaha. You would use Upstart Credit Union, Upstart Lending. So some of your third-party alternative lenders, like Patel 1 and 2, they use Experian. So that's what they use, those FICO 9 scores. Now, here's the thing about it with the FICO 8 and the FICO 9. Again, with the FICO 9, you can easily build up that scoring system because you can add authorized users, you can add utility bills, you can add rental payments, you can add subscriptions to help build up your FICO 9. With the FICO 8, they do not count in authorized users, okay? And because they do not count in authorized users, you can end up being denied. So a lot of people will go put 3, 4, 5 authorized users and may come up with an 800 credit score. And then they go to Chase and Chase denies them. Is because they do not count authorized users. If you go to Bank of America may pull your TransUnion FICO 8 score, and then you get denied is because you're counting authorized users, which they do not count. All right? This is the reason why you need to know your real FICO scores. That's the reason you have so many. So you have your bank card 9, your bank card 8, as you can see here. Now you also have these scores 2, 3, 4, and 5. These are correlating with your mortgage scores. These are the scores most of, like a credit union most likely would use this here score. Okay? Some of your credit unions more likely will use these here mortgage scores in order to qualify you. Like DCU, Digital Credit Union. They would use your FICO bank card score 5. Right? And again, like I said, most people, they would go over here to Credit Karma because they can get a free credit score for their Equifax and TransUnion, but that's a Vantage score. And because that's a Vantage score, you will get denied when it comes to like certain credit unions and banks because that's not your real score. So if you need to see your real score, or you should always get your real score before applying for credit so you can know exactly what score you're actually looking at. If you have questions about business credit funding, personal credit funding, click the link in the description. Schedule a one-on-one consultation. Thank you.